to his wife, Drew Dotson, and presented by Christine Koehler.
Hi, can you guys hear me?
Sure can.
Okay.
Yes.
Are you able to hear me?
Yes,
Yes, we can hear you, Christine.
Okay, great. So apparently somebody thought I was a Zoom bomber and kicked me out of the courtroom, doing what many Gwinnett judges wish they were able to do. First, I want to thank Dodie for giving me the opportunity to talk about Ramon very briefly this evening. When I was thinking about what I was going to say about him, I started thinking about how you would remember Ramon. Many of you are going to remember Ramon as a member of the Georgia Association of Criminal Defense Lawyers, or a faculty member of the National Criminal Defense College, or a faculty member of the Bill Daniels Trial Advocacy Clinic up in Athens. You may remember him as a member of the State Bar Investigative Panel or the Gwinnett Indigent Defense Governing Committee. But some of you will remember Ramon as the guy who helped to furnish your new office, or as the guy who helped to give your new practice a jump start. Or maybe you'll remember Ramon as the guy who absolutely loved food and could never eat enough dessert. Maybe you will remember him as the guy who answered a quick legal question outside a courtroom in GJAC and never made you feel dumb for asking that question. Some of you will remember him as that guy who loved to rescue dogs and to run in 5Ks. Some of you will remember Ramon when he appeared in front of you as a compassionate advocate for his indigent appointed clients when he served on the Gwinnett Indigent Defense List. Others of you will remember Ramon from a Coldplay concert or an improv show or late nights at the Majestic. And don't worry, Ramon, I will not tell them about the Claremont Lounge. Some of you will remember Ramon as their softball teammates or your tennis partner. And some of you really just know Ramon as Judge Alvarado, new to the bench, but full of ideas he was already implementing to make court better for the citizens of Gwinnett County. Some of you will remember Ramon as an incredibly sharp dresser or the guy with a really funny wife. And I would be remiss if I didn't say something more about Ramon's wife, Drew, who was there at GJAC tonight to receive this award in his honor. If you have not been reading DrewDotson.com, you are missing out. Drew, an amazing writer, kept us up to date about Ramon's health on her site, and by doing so gave us 13 weeks more with Ramon than we otherwise would have had. Thank you, Drew. Me? How am I going to remember Ramon? I'm going to remember him as the guy who set up shop in Gwinnett County and almost immediately became a force to be reckoned with. I'm going to remember him coming in from court in the middle of trial. I'll never forget the look on his face. He returned to the office about to throw up because in the middle of his voir dire, a judge had told the veneer, bad questions come from bad lawyers. And I'm really going to remember the look on his face when he returned to the office with an apology from the judge and an order granting a new trial granted sua sponte. I'm going to remember the guy who hated greeting cards and loved luncheons. And I'm going to remember the guy who took on leukemia with the same calm determination that he took on impossible criminal cases. I'm going to remember the guy who knew that the important thing about this profession is the way that you fight, not whether you win or lose. In recognition of his many years of service to Gwinnett County in so many different roles, it's my privilege and my honor to present Judge Ramon Alvarado's Award of Merit to his wife, Drew Dotson.
That's the one.
There you go.
Thank you, Christine, for almost making me cry. But I do just want to thank everybody. Whew. I want to thank everyone for your support. And I know his time on the bench was very short-lived, but it was his dream. And, you know, not many people leave this world having accomplished their dream. So, thank you all for your support over the years, your support in getting him in the role that he had. Man, Christine, you said I was funny. You said I was funny. But thank you all for the love you've shown us that has made this chapter one of appreciation more so than sadness. So I know Ramon would be humbled to receive this. And so I appreciate you all for making this possible. Thank you.